Hello, and welcome to Auto Brainiac. Today, we are going to talk about the new electric car that Sony and Honda have developed. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Alright, let's begin. So, Sony and Honda announced recently that their new brand of electric cars will be called AFEELA. The companies, which formed a joint venture to develop and build electric vehicles, presented a prototype of their first car, a mid-sized sedan, at the Consumer Electronics Show. The car will be built at one of Honda's factories and will feature safety and driver assistance systems from Honda, but the entertainment and interactive features will be delivered by Sony. When developing the car, the emphasis has been on software and user interface technology, as much as on driving dynamics and performance. The vehicle will have 4.9 meters in total length and 3 meters in wheelbase. AFEELA will be equipped with 2 electric motors, generating 544 horsepower, and the top speed will be 180 kilometers per hour. The battery will have 200 kilowatts capacity. With fast charging feature, you will be able to charge the battery from 10% up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Information about the range is not available at this moment. Also, the car will be equipped with a total of 45 cameras and sensors inside and outside the vehicle. It will have a narrow exterior display screen, called the media bar, above the front bumper, which will allow the car to interact with people outside the vehicle. Inside, the car will use Unreal Engine graphics technology, from Epic Games to design interface. This technology has also been used by other auto brands, including General Motors and the Hummer EV. The car will be available to order in 2025 and will be available for delivery in North America in 2026. The base price for such a vehicle will be about $45,000. That was all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more interesting videos, you can watch the newest concept car from BMW, the BMW i Vision D, or the world's coolest concept car, the Mercedes Vision AVTR.